Are you a beginner looking for a Canon vlogging camera or for photography? So on today's video guys, I'm gonna compare you the Canon R50, which is the latest one, compare with the EOS M50, which is the M mount. So I'll give you 5 reasons why still the M50 is better to buy, especially if you are beginners for vlogging and photography. So guys, without further ado, let's start. But again, before anything else, if you're new to my channel, if you like this kind of content, please consider to subscribe and hit the notification bell so at least you'll be updated for all the videos that I will upload regarding photo, video, tutorial, and comparison. So let's start now guys. So the M50, again, I have 5 reasons why this is a good to buy in 2024, especially for beginners. And before we jump into that, let's compare the M50 to the Canon EOS R50, which is the latest one, which announced last February 8 of 2023 with a better image processor, which is Digic X o 10 compared for Digic 8. Unlimited video recording, you have better ISO, 32,000 over 25,000, better number of focusing point, you have 651 over 143, you have more faster because it's 15 frames per second over 10 frames per second, you have more better battery life because 370 compared for 235, you have better video bitrate because it's 170 megabytes per second compared for 120 megabytes per second of M50, you have animal eye autofocus tracking, vehicle tracking, and eye tracking focus on the newest EOS R50. But again, guys, I have 5 reasons. 5 reasons why the Canon M50 is better to buy, especially for beginners, for photography and vlogging. So, reason number 1. Okay, reason number 1 is fully articulated. Yan, fully articulated touchscreen with similar guys with the R50. R50 is fully articulated. This is fully articulated and it's perfect for vlogging. So again, it's a fully articulated uh, camera. And nice reason number 2, it will shoot also 4K. 4K, even 25, 24p is fine, guys. 24p compared for 25 of R50, 30. So again, reason number 2, you can shoot 4K. You have 4K 24p on this camera. Yan. So reason number 3, you have also a microphone input, which is a perfect for vlogging. You need to buy an external wireless microphone similar as the one I'm using now. Shout out to Holy Land, it's Lark M2. Shout out Holy Land for the Lark. Especially you can use the Lark M2 and you're good to go for vlogging. Again, reason number 3, you have also a mic input similar with the R50. Reason number 4 is, again, this is an old model, 2000. I don't remember what I'll put in the description. Yeah, it's already old. So the M mount is more cheaper now, especially the body and the camera and the lens. You can buy a better price or cheaper price compared for the R50. I think some of use now can go up to half the price of the R50. Like for example, the R50 is 199, maybe 99 KD. So again, if you want to check use camera equipment like DSLR, mirrorless, M50, or any uh, camera from Canon, Nikon, Sony, Fuji, just check to our AEB World Marketplace. You can find all the um, used item from different camera like Sony, Canon, Fuji, Nikon. So just check our AEB Marketplace. So again, it's more cheaper body and also the M mount, you can find it very cheap online. So that's the reason number 4 is cheaper. And the last reason why this is good for beginners and photographers, you have also most of the specs from the R50 is also in the M50. For example, like wireless and Bluetooth connection, you have built-in pop-up flash already. Yun, you have already built-in pop-up flash. You have touchscreen, face detection, both 24 megapixel. Again, R50 and M50, they're both 24 megapixel. You have already microphone port and digital video stabilization, and both support with USH1 memory card. So that's the reason. Again, price, fully articulated touchscreen is perfect for vlogging. You can shoot also 4K 24p. You have mic input again for your vlogging. and more cheaper price for the lenses and the camera. So that is my 5 reason why the M50 is also good to buy, especially for beginners in 2024. Either you are a vlogger or photographer, check the Canon EOS M50. So yan guys, I think that's it for today's vlog. Again, if you want to check the price and availability for all new EOS R lineup, we have here in AB World Megastore Showroom, or you can visit our website www.abworld.com. Or if you want to check all the used product that we have here in AB World, you can visit again our website, or you can come here visit in our Megastore in Symphony area hotel, the basement one. You can find our AAB World Marketplace area for the used items. So ayan guys, I think that's it for today's vlog. Hanggang dito na lang. Thank you and mabuhay.